Hello po, good afternoon. Nandito po ako ngayon sa Ridgewood Hotel here in Baguio City na kung saan ay kayayari lamang ng first day ng training na may title na Transformative Leadership for Sustainable Instructional Development, Rekindling Commitment to Service. Actually, this training po ay participated by our PSDSS and the EPSS of DepEd Nueva Ecija. So, kayayari lang po ng first day na aming session. And actually, ang training nito ay ang naging center ng usapan namin kung paano magkaroon ng magandang planning, especially sa darating na fiscal year 2020-2026 na kung saan ay we are preparing for instructional supervisory plan and also our calendar of activities for the CID. So yan yung mga naging highlights na aming mga usapan, and of course hindi mawawala yung mga issues and concerns with regards to the implementation of various programs and projects ng CID ng DepEd Nueva Ecija. So kaya yari lang ng aming meeting, and naging maganda yung aming mga naging usapan, and of course na naging highlight yung mga ways forward namin kung ano pa yung magiging mga activities namin especially sa next school year. So muli po, nagpapasalamat po kami sa aming CID Chief, Dr. Jane M. Garcia, for this activity. At least we have solicited and consolidated reports, and of course this is for the improvement of our programs and projects for the CID. So sa lahat ng mga EPS and PSTSS na umattend, so maraming pong salamat po, especially sa mga naging TWG po namin dito sa ating naging event ng CID. So bukas for the second day, so we are expecting for another set of topics na mali-discuss dito sa ating training. So for the meantime, yun lang muna yung aking masasabi or may report sa ating naging activities for this day. So thank you very much for watching.